Hello, this is Martin. I'm just posting you guys to let you know that I got a car. It's an 01 Ford Taurus SE wagon. Some minor problems. It's got the 3.0 V6. I don't know if it's just a basic 3.0 or if it's the Vulcan one. I'm not sure. Right down there is the breather tube for the transmission, which I've been having tranny problems, which is common. Need to wash. Interior's good. Another one here. I want to find where I can get ambered turn signal covers, which I heard 99s do that. As you can see, Taurus SE. Interior's good. Inside, those two flip. These two panels down here flip. I want to replace this, broken. Great squeeze. 173,273 miles so far. Basic radio. It says CD on it, but I haven't found one in the car at all. Not one. So, and I would love to have a CD player in here. So, I even looked in the back and behind panels. One bad thing about this car is, I know the transmission is going out, which is probably that pressure pump thing with the torque converter. I manually have to push my car backwards. So it'll go into reverse. I can feel it clunk into gear, but once I let go, I'll try to watch. And my foot's over here on the ground. See it? Car wants, but it's going forward instead of reverse. I'll even push the car a little bit backwards with my leg. So I don't know. But I got this car for free from a friend. I'm out job hunting. They knew about it. So they says, I'll give you this car for a gift to try to get out job hunting. But there's a YouTuber that I told that I'm getting, a car. I forgot his name. But this is the car. 2001 Taurus SE wagon. I'll do what I can. Have a good day. Bye.